start. So let us make it interactive. So how many have come across some problems in life? Most
Myself.
of them. Yes. So my topic is, means I'll just cover a very interesting topic today to how to solve any problem in life. So that is my talk, right? So for sure, many would have faced a problem or some would have escaped from the problem, right? So my talk is I'll just give a very interesting points how you can overcome any problem with my personal example. So recently I was into one of my projects. Actually, my thing was to there was this production issue in any of the projects which come across when there is some issues come up in backend. So how to solve one problem? Like, so first you have to identify a problem. So which I did that there was a problem already in place. So second, I did a prioritize, means you have to make a point priority, whether you want to, let me share this. Okay, so hope you are able to see. So first you need to you have to identify what is the problem, as I was mentioning. So if you have identified the problem, now you have to prioritize out of how many problems you are having. You have to prioritize which problem you have to work on, and later you have to define whether what is the problem exactly. So in my case, actually what I did was in my project, so I had identified the problem, prioritized it that I have to fix it and complete it today. And later I had used, defined the problem. What exactly is the problem, right? Now, after defining all these problems, still you have few other sets of things you need to do. That is, select the people who will help you in solving this problem. You may not be the alone person who will go and solve. For sure, it may not happen. Maybe you need a separate in your team who may be always you may be already skilled in that. So you need not go and learn each and every technology to get a solution for this. In terms of in terms of personal life also. You may have some personal issues at home, or it may be in office, it may be in anything. So you have a problem with a person, or it may be a problem with a project or something. You need to take help how you can solve that problem instead of just escaping from the problem, right? Suppose that what I did was I collected the problem causes. What were the causes of what the problem has occurred for? Or what were the causes that causes? After that, what maximum you can do is you need to collect all these solutions. It's not one or two solutions you want to. As a leader, the best thing you can do, means if you want to become a leader, as the best thing you can do is you can collect how many solutions are there instead of just focusing on one solution. So when you have a lot of solutions, you have a backup plan. So good leader has this capability of having number of solutions for one problem, right? So later what in my project what I did was like prioritizing and selecting a best solution out of these solutions. I have collected the multiple solutions for the one particular problem, and now it's time to prioritize on which is the best solution to implement. And later you implement a best solution after you select it, right? So currently what phase I'm in is I have implemented the best solution as of today, right? So now what I'll be doing in the next week is evaluating this solution, right? Evaluating the solution, and the last step is how to stop this or add up principles, set up principles or policies which keep problems from recurring. So you are not letting it repeat again and again. So the same steps I've gone through from this book. Okay, so the what it is, developing the leader within you, from John C. Maxwell. So where the chapter name is
Yes.
the faster you go by solving the problem. You grow as a leader when you solve big problems. You solve the bigger the problem you solve, the bigger the leader you are.
Really.
He's giving this 10 steps to solve any problem in life. So it's not only, I've just given from my project, I've given one perspective. It can be applicable in any of your life. To summarize, you identify a problem, you prioritize it, define it, and select people who will solve it, and collect the causes for it, and collect not only one solution for it, multiple solutions, and prioritize on best solution, and later implement the best solution and evaluate what was the solution you implemented, and get some principles or set up policies which the problem will not occur in again. repeat again. So with that, I'm done, Srikanth. Thank you for that. Thank you, everyone.
Okay.